Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to studio for the last commercial face video because it's amazing, bro. Look at that. This is my crucial SSD NVME that I bought. Yes, I make for unboxing, and today I want just to connect this to something special that I want to show you right now. What is this? Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. So I have this that I want to connect to this thing. Can you see this? This is definitely not a joke. Okay. First of all, let's start by all of this. This is more information about this. What you need to do about this. Again, more information here. Everything compatible for everything. Windows 10 also. SSD M.2 SSD case. Yes, this is more information you need to know about this. And okay, also all information here. Cool. And this is nice. His name is Haysenser. I don't know this Mac, but I'm here to open the box. My way. Here or here? I don't know. Let's start. Let's try to open this from here. Okay. Now it's open. Good. Now let's try to remove. Okay. Wow, this is just crazy. Can you see this? Nice. Oh, and this is how it look like. Can you see this? This is definitely not a joke. Okay, I've never searched it. Just under, just like that. Wow, this is USB 3.1. The original version. Now, remove, open, take it. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at how it look like. It looks so great. It looks very nice. Can you see this? Wow, this is unbelievable. Okay, now I have face enclosure. Cool, nice. Informations. Wow, look at the end on is just amazing. This is metallic. Wow, is it aluminum or something? Yes, because it's so nice. Now, what can I do to remove this? You can see open. This means that you can purge what? Purge about and do what? And do what, bro? I don't know. What can I do after this? Ooh, you can purge just like that. Ooh, and now you have all of this. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Okay, now I'm ready to use this new SSD NVMe and put it inside. Okay, let's check. Let's remove this box and get ready. Now, can you see this? I think that you need to turn like that and put this inside. I think that what you need to do first is to put this like that, just like that, and push like that before close. So put this here and purge. Can you see this? Remove. Let me show you. Can you see this? Put this just like that, this. and purge, okay, little bit. Now you can put this inside just like that, and now it's on good position. Damn! Wow, very good position. Can you see this? Nice. Now it's good. If it's really good, when we'll put this inside, we see something. How to put this inside? I don't know. You need to put a little this and put this inside. Wow. Now take this and connect. Can you see this? This is USB type C. Wow, to USB 3.1. Connect it now. Wow, it's seriously connected. Okay, now let's try the same thing. Come to this computer, take this and try to connect again. You can see light. Okay, let's see if it's connected here. Actualization. And boom! Look at that! 4 terabytes of SSD is here. Can you see it? No. What can I do? See below. This free. I don't know if it's possible to format this or something. Honestly, I don't know. Pretty everything. Let's disconnect again. Connect again. Let's check. It's here, but it's ignore. Okay. Let's try to fix this problem by myself. Okay, I decided to close this application, this software, and this thing appear again. Let's try again. Let me show you how disk dictionary. You can see I have a French version. I will translate this in English for you. You can see disk free. Partition GPU. Click on OK. No. Okay, now it appears very well. No problem here. Wow. Now you can click on new volume. Can you see it? And configure this thing. Next. His name is 4 terabyte. 4 terabyte. Can you see this? Click on next. Finish your job. And oh, boom! It appears here. And it is your computer. I can now load a tool by we call this I don't know what is his name. Crystal disk. I want to select this F, as you can see here. Okay, and click this to launch and see the result. about this, and I want to test this. This is the NVMe enclosure. This is how it looks like. It's coming with a cable. This cable, you can see, it's amazing. This is USB Type-C. You have both, and this is a good news for me, honestly. So you can use USB Type-C, everything. It says that when you use USB 3.1 like that, you will have 5 GB per second. This is according to the SSD NVMe you use. I don't know if it's real, but it says also that when you use USB Type-C to USB Type-C, you will have 10 GB per second. Bro, I don't know if it's real, bro, but you can see this by yourself here, bro. Damn. And now let's remove this to have USB Type-C. After this, let me connect this USB Type-C to this computer. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, as you can see, it's connected. Okay, it's connected. Okay. Okay, bro, it's connected. Now, let's verify. F5. I can see nothing here. Let's see notification. Okay, let's try again. Change its position. Okay, good. I'll change his position. It was like that. I'll change of something like that. Okay, great. So good news is now here in front of you. Okay, cool. Now what I need to do is the same thing. Create my disk. Okay, now come here, select my disk, launch again. So it's the same thing, it's the same test I'm trying to do. So wow, now it's done. Wow, it's completely different than what I showed you before. Wow, this is just crazy. Look at the preview test with here Type-C. Can you see this? This is what you have. Can you see this? When you use USB 3.1. Now, when you use USB Type-C, this is what you have. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? I'm just shocked. Can you see this? Wow, this is completely different. Different result. Completely different. What do you think?